The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is first Saturday and we are having our devotion to our Blessed Lady, our Mother Mary. And our gospel will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 9 verses 14 to 17. In the gospel, Jesus said that old clothing shouldn't be patched on a new one, and a new wine shouldn't be put on an old wineskins. Otherwise, it will be destroyed. And what is important is we preserved both the old and the new. This gospel is more than the old thing being challenged by the new one. It is all about putting into perspective what should be done. Jesus Christ was always told as someone challenging or trying to destroy the laws of Moses. However, Jesus Christ was saying to them, I came not to destroy or to change the law, but to fulfill them. This is all about finding what is good in the past and putting it into the present context and making it sure that what is the truth will be preserved. That is our Catholic faith. Some people would always consider our faith as archaic or a thing of the past that is not anymore compatible in our present world. That is not true. While the context changes, but the content of our faith never changes, because Jesus is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Our faith will remain even if there will be artificial intelligences, even if there will be new discoveries, even if there will be new world, as they would say and call it. But then our God will remain the same. While there is truth in the past and in the present, they are both to be preserved, and let God, which is the constant in context, be the main reason why we continue to live from the past and going on until today and until the future, until Jesus comes back again. God bless.